Hi, it's Edd Dawson here from KeywordsPeopleUse, and today I'm going to show you how our MCP server integration works with large language models and agents such as Claude. So I've already set Claude up to be able to work with our MCP server integration, and I'm going to show how we can just get live data from Google and other sources directly into our chats. So I'm going to start here, and let's get some PeopleUse data. So I'm going to say to Claude, please get there. PeopleUse result for the term broadband in the UK. So I'm telling you the terminal word and the geographic area we're looking for. My Claude realized that it can get this PeopleUse data from our MCP integration, and it's set up the request here and is now making that request and getting the data back. Okay, so we can now look at this, and it's got the data and it's doing a little bit of work with it here. You can also see the raw data here by just clicking these down and then scrolling through what the raw data it got back was. It's made it sensitive here for us. So that's one thing, it's got that data live from Google in the UK, all those PeopleUse questions, that's the keyword. And then obviously we could then work with that data within the LLM. We could also get some other data. So let's say, please, Google Autocomplete data. Whether it's on broadband, delete. And again, it's worked out. You can get Google Autocomplete data through our integration, and it's making that request now. It's got the results back, and so we've got the full data inside here in the response. It's done some of it again, and it started to cluster them together based on the information it's got back. We could also do this for semantic keywords. With broadband in the UK. And again, it's realized, we can get our data from the KeywordsPeopleUse MCP server integration. And it's got that data back. So it's found all the semantic related providers, things like comparison deals, technical terms of testing, product questions, all these things that's got them straight back. And again, we can get forum data as well. So let's say, please get forum questions on the top here. Broadband in the UK. It's worked out. It's now going looking at Reddit and Quora, and it's going to get those questions back for us. So here we go. We've got some Reddit questions, and we've got Quora questions back. So that data is now all within the context of this chat, and we can obviously work with that. And we've got that live data in, which is something that obviously is a problem with the large language models, is that they obviously have set training data, and it's based upon the data at the point in which they've been trained to. Whereas with this, we can actually pull in live data, up-to-date data directly managed from Google, and again from other sources like Reddit and Quora. Okay, now I've started a new chat here, and I'll show you how we can not just pull the data back, but we can also build it into a larger prompt. So let's start one with, say, let's just create an in-depth guide for broadband beginners to give an overview of how broadband works, how to get the best deals. Please use PeopleUse around autocomplete to run the seed keywords. Let's see what it says here. And again, Smart is going up and it's getting some Google Autocomplete data for various terms and some PeopleUse data for various terms. So it's going off and it's working out essentially keywords, and it's then might be able to query that live data directly from Google via the KeywordsPeopleUse MCP server. Okay, so now it is creating a comprehensive broadband guide for beginners using the research data that's just done, and it chose its own terms to research, but it went off and found that live data using our MCP server. So that hopefully shows you how much more powerful, how much more relevant, how much more up to date the content you could create and the content research you can do using this integration that gets that live data hooked into your AI agent, into your large language model, into your chat, so that you could produce much better, much more relevant and up-to-date content. So if you'd like to try that, and you can try it for free, and then just follow the link that's showing on the screen right now, and there'll be full instructions there on how to get this set up, how to create an account, how to get an FAQ, and how to get going.